Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students, today I am going to take a computer class for the students of class 2. And our today's topic is multiple choice question answer, that means M.C.Q from chapter 5. And you all know that the name of this chapter is pain. So my dear students, all of you open your book and go to chapter 5, that means page number 33. So let's start our class now. Now look, number 1, in paint the eraser tool is found in the dash box, and our options are A. Tools, B. Color, C. Pencil. Now look, my dear students, all of you go to your book, page number 33. Now look at this box. Where will you find the eraser tool? Now look, in this toolbox you will find the eraser tool. Now look, that is the eraser. All of you go to page 34. And in the ribbon, and now look, there is the tools box, you will find it here. So what will be our answer? Yes, all of you were right. Our answer will be option A, tools. So we will find the eraser tool in our tools box. Now number 2, you can select different colors from the dash. Options are A. ribbon, B. drawing area, C. tools. So where will you find the colors? Now look at your book, page number 34. Here. So where is the color? In the ribbon. So you will get the color, or you will select different colors from the ribbon. And our answer will be option A, ribbon. Now number 3. The pencil tools help you to dash. What? Option A, color, option B, draw, option C, erase. And we all know that pencil tool helps us to what? Yes, pencil tool helps us to draw. And you can go to your book and now look, page number 40, points to remember. It is written here, the brushes tool and pencil tools help you to draw. So pencil tool help us to draw, and our answer will be option B, to draw. So the pencil tools help you to draw. Now number 4, the dash tool helps you to erase drawings. So which tool? Option A, fill tool, option B, eraser tool, option C, brushes tool. Could you remember? Yes, we know that the eraser tool helps us to erase drawings. And now look, there is the eraser tool in page number 36 and 37. So you can, now look, you can use this tool and you can draw, you can erase the drawings from your paintings. Or you can go to page number 40, points to remember. Now look, it is given there, the eraser tool helps to erase drawings from the drawing area. So our answer will be eraser tool. Number 4. Now number 5. To start the paint program, now look, to start the paint program, click on dash at first. Option A, all programs, option B, paint, option C, start button. So where will you click at first? Now if you can't remember, go to page number 40, it's given here. Now look, to select paint, at first we will click on the start button, then we will go to all programs, then accessories, then paint. So at first we will click on the start button, that means option C, to start the paint program. Now number C, the dash portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. Option A, white, option B green, option C yellow. So which one? Yes, I know all of you know which portion. And now look, it's given in your book, page number 40. The drawing area is the white portion inside the paint. Page number 40. So our answer will be white. Number 6, option A. The white portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. Now number 7. In the drawing area, the pointer changes to a dash sign when we use brushes tool. So when you use brushes tools, the pointer will change to a sign. And what sign? Could you remember? And if you can't remember, now go to page number 35. But I know all of you know the answer. Okay. Now look, page number 35 and point number 2. The pointer changes to a plus sign. So what will be our answer? And options are A minus B plus C multiplied. So our answer will be B, plus sign. Now number 8. You will find pencil tool on the dash. Where will you find the pencil tool? A, drawing area, B, ribbon, C, accessories. So where will you find? Could you remember? You will find the pencil tool where? Now look, you will find the pencil tool on the ribbon. Now look, page number 35, this is the pencil tool. Take the mouse pointer to the tool on the ribbon. Now look, this tool is on the ribbon. Now look, here you will find the pencil tool in this ribbon here. So our answer will be option B. We will find the pencil tool on the ribbon. Now we will go to the next MCQ, MCQ number 9. Press and hold the dash mouse button to draw a line by moving the mouse. Option A, left, option B, right, option C, scroll wheel. So which button will you press to draw a picture? And we all know that we will hold the left mouse button. Page number 35, option C, press and hold the left mouse button. Now look, and you will move the mouse, the pointer will draw a line. So it's given on the page number 35. So our answer will be option A, left. Now number 10. The pointer changes to a small dash in the drawing area when we select eraser tool. Option A, rectangle, option B, triangle, option C, square. So what will be our answer? Dear students, could you remember? Yes, I know all of you know the answer, but we will look at the book at first. Now look, page number 37. Point number 3, the pointer changes to a small square. Now look, the pointer changes to a small square. If you take if you select the eraser tool, or if you take the pointer to the eraser tool. So our answer will be option C, square. Now number 11. The fill with color tool is used to fill a dash area with color. Option A, closed, option B, open, option C, free. So which one, if you want to color your picture or your drawings with fill with color tool, which area will you take? Closed, open or free? Now all of you can go to page number 40, points to remember the last sentence. The fill with color tool is used to fill a closed area with color. So we need to take a closed area when we use the fill with color tool. Otherwise the color will spill over the whole screen or entire screen. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be option B, open. Now number 12. The paint screen has the dash and drawing area. Option A, ribbon. Option B, keys. Option C, alphabets. And we know that paint screen has two areas, and what are they? Yes, one is drawing area and another one is ribbon. And now look, page number 40. Points to remember, number 2. The paint screen has the ribbon and drawing area. It's given here, page number 40. This one, number 2, points to remember. And our answer will be option A, ribbon. Now number 13. How many tools are there to draw pictures? Option A, 4. Option B, 3. Option C, 2. And how many tools are there and to draw the pictures? We all know that there are 2 tools. One is pencil tool and another one is brushes tool. So how many tools are there? Yes, our answer will be 2. That means option C. Now the last one, 14. How do you select paint? Option A, start button, then all programs, then accessories, then paint. Option B, start button, accessories, then all programs and paint. Option C, start button, all programs, paint, and then accessories. Which one is the correct? Now look, here you will find the answer. Points to remember, at first we will press on the start button, then all programs, then accessories, then paint. So this is the process to open a paint program. So our correct answer will be option A, start button, all programs, accessories, and paint. So these are the 14 MCQ from chapter 5. Okay, let's read again. Number 1, in paint the eraser tool is found in the dash box. Option A will be the answer, that means tools. Number 2, you can select different colors from the dash. Correct answer is option A, ribbon. Number 3, the pencil tools help you to dash. Correct answer option B, draw. Number 4, the dash tool helps you to erase drawings. The correct answer option B, eraser tool. Number 5, to start the paint program, click on dash at first. Correct answer is option C, start button. Number 6, the dash portion on the paint screen is called the drawing area. Option A is the correct answer, that means white. Number 7, in the drawing area, the pointer changes to a dash sign when we use brushes tools. Correct answer is option B, plus. Number 8, you will find pencil tool on the dash. Correct answer option B, ribbon. Number 9, press and hold the dash button, mouse button to draw a line by moving the mouse. Correct answer option A, left. Number 10, the pointer changes to a small dash in the drawing area when we select eraser tool. Option C, square is the correct answer. Number 11, the fill with color tool is used to fill a dash area with color. Correct answer is option B, open. Number 12, the paint screen has the dash and drawing area. Correct answer option A, ribbon. Number 13, how many tools are there to draw pictures? Option C, that means 2 is correct answer. Number 14, how do you select paint? Option A is the correct answer, that means start button, then all programs, next we will press accessories and then we will find the paint program. And my dear students, there is a homework number 8. So you will do 8 MCQ, that means 1 to 8 MCQ as your homework in your HW copies. I repeat, you will do 1 to 8 MCQ as your homework, that means this page 1 to 8 you will do as your homework from chapter 5. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. My dear students, all of you will do your homework in your HW copies and you will submit it on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. Your SBA and CT marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So, it is very important to submit your homework regularly. My dear students, all of you study regularly and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.